Kamano. Nitiere karkae, ang'e nitie paro ma opogore ma bende winjo kanyo kawuok e kaunti ma Migori. Jojo Omamba, arwaki ni machiegni, inyalo mana miyo wane, koro ka korinti nene yo machalo nade, pod wan ka gi Toma Nyaoke, wantiere kod penjo bende mang'eyo maber ni Ochieng' Jera nitiere bath Tom Nyaoke ka bende ang' odwoki. Jojo Omamba, nitie gigo ma Seth Kanga wacho kowuok e kaunti ma Kisumu. Inyalo medo nade, osara, osuru, pek mar ngima gi World Fund.
Cleophas, manobe Seth, manobe Mheshimiwa Seth koso oro representative ne.
Mheshimiwa Seth Kanga mantiere karka, mano wepe kaunti ma Kisumu.
Nikech Seth mang'eyo tok napar ni onego okaw argument machalo kama. Look here. I want to get Seth a few things ma relates to economy and how economy can be improved. Tingini Seth ngiye very phenotypically. En moneno mbele ne kae moneno. Nikech Seth neno gini kagima me MCA mesara enyo vota na marapugi. Look here. We are working to a number of issues on the table here. Makata Seth baneno wuoyo no. The heart is willing. His heart is willing, so lema weak. Ebe kata di kone ni Seth kawuno timi million. Tobiro rengo very fast koko ni thank you Lord. Okapar ni nikech ka Seth yuago piny kama. To daka se winje kuma Seth odhi owache ni anya bira ka tayudo kaka remisara ni 100,000 koro 50% of pesa tadwa no dog ne jopiny kaka ro yuago jopiny kama. Adwa wabed gi a very sincere conversation. And this conversation and kama. We do not necessarily need to increase taxes to pay or to increase the salaries mag MCAs. I want us to give it an economic way of analysis. Why do you pay an MP 7 times pesa mechulo MCA? For example, why do you pay a chairman of a commission 8 times pesa mechulo an MCA? So said economically wangie kama. Ngiane jok mechulo malainya. Then you balance with the other members managing legislative roles by saying kachulo MP 7 times. I can even reduce the amount machulo this MP even to 5 times, so that we not necessarily bring the MCAs to an equilibrium point, but to a point that is closer to equilibrium. Why do we have a CAS paid 10 times than an MCA? The number of the CAS is almost 100. So, Mheshimiwa, we look at it at that point. Reduce even the number of CAS, then reduce the amount you pay to them, then you pull down the MCAs to some point. That does not mean no medo tax mare nyanya manyata. Apana. We don't need to do that. We can critically look at the taxation point. In fact, I am one of the MCAs that is against taxation. Let me ask you, Cleophas, and I want you to tell me this. A colleague is saying, ne wan kataki chulo wa seleng mi alofa pargareo, chulo alofa pargareo, peso med mar development. So let me ask you, how are you going to oversight a governor machamo chigni million is under control of another 5 billion. Then ngato koni ni chula an MCA 12,000 peso the development. My man a department is called, a CEC member is called, a chief officer is called to explain where the money has gone to.
Come on.
To nikech an MCA moro yuto ne pay. Biro koni gine watemo kama unajua koro ginegi aya sawa okay all right. This will affect the oversight role of the members of the assemblies.
Aya, kiwacho kanyo ne odhi biro gi
paro. Billion a beach. I'm just finishing. Okenyal kau billion a beach tiketo na MCA temi alof apar ni ochamo tok todwa oversight billion a beach. Ma no ket MCAs moko or other members gelwedo moroma and gidege nendo konchiel gi executive, thus interfering with the oversight role of the members of the county assembly. So overall, we don't need to increase tax to have money paid to MCAs. That's a very narrow way